Hi guys, welcome back to my channel to Jay's Kitchen. Today we are making something really delicious, something different. I have been craving Indomie for quite some time in a different way, and I decided to show you guys how I usually make my Indomie, my delicious Indomie. You're gonna start with your pan, oil, and then if you have your chopped onions ready, you would be needing that for this recipe because we would be frying some sauce. You guys, you all know I love food and I like eating, so this is my specialist. Now you're gonna add in your chopped onions. I like to chop my onions not so tiny. In this one, I like it to be a little bit big because for me, I want to see my onions in my Indomie. So my onions will be there cooking. We are going to add in my Indomie in my boiled water. When your water is boiled, please do not leave your Indomie in the water to cook more than 2 minutes, because if you let it cook more than 2 minutes, it will become too soft. I added in my Indomie in there 2 to 5 minutes, you guys. I would prefer you want your Indomie to look like, but me, I don't want my Indomie to be so soft, because if it's so soft, then it looks it has this particular look. Okay guys, so I like to cook mine like this. Now we're gonna add in our tomatoes. We're gonna add in, if you have peppers, you're gonna put peppers. You're gonna add in your spice, everything else you are using, you're gonna add it in. You can see I already turned off my heat from my Indomie water. I just let it sit there for another 1 minute, and then I would be straining the water out and let it drip until we're going to be needing it for the sauce. Okay, so now add in all your spice in your soup, in your sauce. Add, I do have some I do have some egg I made this afternoon, and I decided to add them in because it's so delicious. I also add in some fish, some sandy fish if you have that too. I love the taste and the combo of all the fish and the eggs, but you could do it the way you like. This is my own preference, so choose whatever you want in there. If you want meat, carrots, whatever, you could add in there. I have my tomato, my Indomie sauce, my Indomie spice. I'm going to be adding it inside too to give it that Indomie flavor. We need that Indomie flavor, you guys, because we are cooking Indomie. So I would be adding all of it, and then I would mix it together and let it cook, let it really cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until your tomatoes is well cooked. I don't like to cook my tomatoes so much because veggies are good and healthy. When you cook them too much, you intend to make them lose all their properties from there. Okay, so make sure not to cook it too much. As you can see right here, my sauce is already ready. It took me 10 to 15 minutes to make this sauce. Actually 10 minutes, not 15. 10 minutes to make the sauce. And wow, look at how cute the face looks like, you guys. And now it's time to add in our Indomie. You can see how delicious it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So if you try this at home, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. There we go. Now let's add in our Indomie and let it cook. We're gonna mix it together, mix it very well. If you have those finger spoons, you could use them because it's way helpful to mix with it. As you can see, I have mine, and I will be mixing that with mine. So I want all the ingredients to really go. When you are doing this, cook it on the low heat because you want to still cook it for about 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, because you want all your ingredients in the sauce to really soak in the Indomie so that it will get all the taste, right? So you're gonna let it cook a little bit again while you are mixing. It's cooking. Mine is actually cooking, and I'm mixing the same time and make it ready. You guys, our Indomie is ready. Very easy. Indomie does not take too long to cook. So make sure you do yours at home and leave in the comment section how yours taste. If it tastes good, if you try the way I cooked mine, let me know in the comment section, guys. As always, I do appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, share, and if you're not part of of the family, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I would be seeing you all in my next one. Bye, guys.